How does photosynthesis make plants green? Imagine a process that turns sunlight into the food plants need to grow and also gives them their vibrant green color. That's what photosynthesis does. It's like nature's way of cooking with sunlight. But how does this process make plants look green? Let's find out. Photosynthesis happens inside tiny parts of plant cells called chloroplasts. These are like little kitchens packed with special ingredients. The most important ingredient is a pigment called chlorophyll. Think of chlorophyll as the plant's natural paint. It absorbs sunlight to power the whole process. When sunlight hits the plant, chlorophyll absorbs most of the blue and red light. But it doesn't absorb green light very well. Instead, it reflects it back. That reflected green light is what we see, which makes plants appear green to our eyes. Chlorophyll is not the only pigment in plants, but it is the main one responsible for the green color. Other pigments like carotenoids give some plants yellow, orange, or red shades. These pigments also help the plant absorb light and carry out photosynthesis. But chlorophyll dominates because it is the most abundant pigment in the chloroplasts. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. Using the energy from sunlight, they turn these into glucose, a type of sugar that fuels their growth. Oxygen is released as a byproduct. This entire process keeps plants alive and helps produce the oxygen we breathe. So, the reason plants are green is because of how chlorophyll interacts with light. It absorbs the blue and red parts of sunlight and reflects the green. That reflected green light is what makes plants look lush and green. This color is a sign that the plant is actively photosynthesizing and healthy. Understanding this helps us see how plants are so perfectly tuned to their environment. Their green color isn't just pretty. It's a sign of their ability to turn sunlight into energy. And that energy supports not only the plant but also the entire web of life around us. Without photosynthesis, there would be no plants, no oxygen, and no life as we know it.